Alright, here's the place we stayed at last night. Our rooms are back there. It's a really nice place, really liked it. It's called the Ontario Inn, and then here in Ontario, Oregon. And today is going to be a travel day. We're going to be driving all the way to probably Livingston.
Yeah.
Okay. Livingston, Montana, which is just north of Yellowstone. Yellowstone National Park.
Head east on Southwest 4th Avenue towards Southwest 11th
The
Street.
Ontario Inn there.
They had really fast internet here too.
Yeah, really good internet.
100 megabit down, 20 megabit up.
Wow.
Which is, for a hotel, it's awesome.
Yeah, pet friendly too, it says on the sign there.
They have a motel cat named Fluffy in the office. He loves attention, pets, and belly rubs.
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready to roll.
All right.
So tomorrow morning we plan on driving through Yellowstone. There's one road in the north part of the park that is open to wheeled vehicle. So I gotta show myself here for a moment anyhow. But oh, the lens is a little bit dirty. Better? Okay. But anyways, yeah, there is one road that's open in northern Yellowstone, going from from Mammoth over to through the park over to Cook City. I think it's the northeast entrance. So, anyways, that's the plan for tomorrow. So we'll get to hit a little bit of Yellowstone. But right now, let's take and do some driving. Ontario, Oregon. Last night we were driving and kind of had the thought of driving through the night, but the conditions, the foggy conditions, really was the main thing. Decided to get a room instead. So, anyway, here's a little quick look at
In a quarter mile,
Ontario.
turn left onto Southwest 2nd Street.
Okay, talk to you later. I'll probably pull out the camera once in a while to just get some driving footage on the way there. We are in Idaho. Decided to stop into the rest area for a moment. The rest area on the other side for the eastbounders. No, westbound. We're eastbound, they're westbound. So used to go in the other direction. You are here, that's where we are. Oregon Trail, backcountry byway. Wow. Here we are. And all the payphones are gone. Man, cool. They still left all this stuff up. The payphones are gone. Got a nice picnic area here. Some picnic tables, nice shelters. Man, do a good job of blocking the wind, I would think. Cool. Okay. Time to go. Yep, we are on the interstate. On the GPS it says some kind of a crash or something, but maybe it's just construction, I don't know. So we're barely moving right now. Overcast day, kind of foggy. Not really thick fog, no. Targhee National Forest is what we're driving through right now. About 48 miles from West Yellowstone, 48, 50 miles, something like that. We're going up. All right, here we are. We made it to Gardiner, Montana. That's where we're spending tonight. And then we drove all the way from Ontario, Oregon. It was like, what was it, 9.5? No, it was longer than that. Was it 9.5 hours or 10 or something?
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, somewhere like that. But we drove all day, but we're here now. We're in the Gardiner, Montana. And tomorrow we're in the morning. We're going to go to Yellowstone. You know, that one road that's open during the winter, for wheeled vehicles. All the others are over snow, so that's the only road that's open. We're going to take and drive along there, and then we're going to have to come back out the same way we went in because the Chief Joseph Highway is closed for the winter. So we're going to go as far as we can, probably to Lamar Valley, and then we'll just play it by ear, and then we'll make our way back and probably head towards home, but we'll see. That's what the plan is. So anyways, it was a travel day today, so really not much to see other than driving footage and stuff. But well, stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching.